Oh, hi everybody and welcome to the Ski Tips Sunday show, and this week we're going to be covering avalanche gear. So essential avalanche gear, the 3 items, why I carry and what I carry. Stay tuned. Welcome back everybody and welcome to the Ski Sunday Tips show. Now today we're going to cover essential avalanche equipment, the shovel, the transceiver, the probe, and the reasons why I carry what I do. Now thank you everybody for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed already, please smash that subscribe button down below. Before we get into this, I just want to go through to you that I'm just giving you experience and advice. So it's not a particular you have to buy this, have to do that. And everything I do recommend to you, I actually use myself, and I actually think it's a good product. The shovel that I use is a MAMMUT Alligator light snow shovel. And what I really like about it is that it's 470 grams, so it's one of the lightest shovels on the market. It has a large shovel at the end base, which allows me to push snow a lot quicker and easier. The shaft is actually very good for the leverage of the snow. There's also attachment holes in the spade, so that can actually be used as a snow anchor and sledge. The ARVA light 2.4 meter probe is what I use. It's aluminium and it's very easy to use and only weighs at 210 grams. The transceiver is actually one of the most important items of the 3. I use the ARVA Neo transceiver. Now it's brilliant. It has a search strip width of 60 meters. So that means that I can actually find that signal at a further distance than most transceivers. The Neo speaker as well is actually loud and it's a lot easier for me to work with. Okay, I'm going to give you a bonus tip today, and what is really good to practice is actually the speed that you can get your transceiver on, your shovel and probe out of your bag and ready for use. So I'll give you a race. Go! And drop the comments and the times in the box down below. If you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up. And also continue watching other videos which I've selected above. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next Sunday.